Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about selling beauty products on Amazon. We'll discuss about how to sell beauty products on Amazon by reading an article on sellerapp.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. A comprehensive guide to selling beauty products on Amazon. The beauty industry is booming, and Amazon is one of the top marketplaces for selling beauty products. According to Statista, the global beauty market is expected to be worth of over $800 billion by 2023. And beauty products are some of the most popular items on Amazon. Besides, a recent survey stated that more than 70% of consumers uh, think Amazon is their go-to source for buying beauty products. Selling beauty products on Amazon is a great business opportunity due to the rising demand from consumers and the availability of a wide range of products. However, you need to know a few essential things before embarking on this journey. This guide will help you with the approval process, selling fees, labeling, and packaging requirements for beauty and cosmetic products on Amazon. So let's get started. Is it profitable to sell beauty products on Amazon? Selling beauty products on Amazon is a very profitable business for many entrepreneurs. This is because Amazon is one of the world's largest and most popular e-commerce sites with millions of shoppers visiting the site every day. The sheer size of Amazon's customer base means that you can easily reach a large audience and make a decent profit from selling beauty products on the platform. As a seller of beauty products, you should also stay up to date on the latest trends in the beauty industry. This includes staying informed on the newest makeup, skincare, and hair care products and the most popular ingredients and techniques. With wide access to beauty products and the ability to quickly reach a large customer base, selling beauty products on Amazon can be extremely profitable. However, it would be only lucrative when you invest the time and effort. What products are categorized as beauty products on Amazon? Beauty products on Amazon are divided into a variety of ways, including cosmetics, skincare, makeup, hair care, nail care, and personal care products. Bath and bathing accessories. This includes items such as bath brushes, sponges, bath mats, and other items used in the bath or shower. Foot, hand, and nail care, fragrance, gift sets, hair care, makeup, skincare, tools, and accessories. There are other subcategories of for beauty products: premium beauty, professional beauty. Why does selling beauty products need approval on Amazon? Selling beauty products on Amazon requires approval to ensure that items sold on the platform are safe and of high quality. You should take this into account as the beauty products sold on the marketplace can significantly impact the health and well-being of customers. Provide safety and accurate product information. Beauty products are often full of chemicals and other ingredients that can potentially harm the skin, eyes, and other body parts. To protect customers from potential hazards, Amazon requires sellers to submit safety data and product information before they can list their items or sell on the platform. This helps Amazon ensure that the products sold on their platform are safe and meet all applicable safety standards. How to get approval for selling beauty products on Amazon? The beauty and personal care categories are no longer restricted, meaning sellers do not need to get approval in order to list products in this category. So that was the article about uh, selling beauty uh, products online. So now I hope you've understood everything about uh, beauty products. So that's all for the today's video, because there's no much important paragraphs left. We've covered everything about selling beauty products on Amazon. Like, we need to get approval, but now I don't think so. There is a option for getting approval to list products on Amazon. So just start listing products on Amazon and then get sales and then earn handsome amount of revenue through it. So that's it for the today's video. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.